Alright guys, it's Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a quick one today. Just gonna tell you the importance of having shop stock, like light bulbs, tire stems, repair kits, hose clamps, stuff like that, and also brake lines. It's important to have this stuff, guys, because a lot of times you're doing a job and you're back to the shop and it just saves you a trip from running back to the store. It goes for a lot of things. It goes for, like, you know, like I said, like bulbs. I got wheel weights here. You know, like I said before, bulbs. Tire stems. Up there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's spark plugs. And tire stems, repair center. Back there you probably can't see, but wiper blades. And up there I got some hose clamps. So yeah, that's important stuff, guys. You gotta have that stuff around the shop because a lot of times you know, I'll be going making parts runs because it gets expensive after a while. Back there I got brake lines. Yeah, so you know, like I said, guys, if you keep this stuff on hand, a lot of times you're actually not gonna have to run back and forth to get parts. It's actually gonna be beneficial for you guys to have the stuff back to the shop. So save you a lot of time, trouble running around. So, like I said, hopefully, guys, you know, this will help you out, and it helps me out certainly. Sometimes I still have to run back and forth for parts at the store, but that's actually sometimes the nature of the beast. But if you can avoid that, you know, a lot of times it's good to have them on hand. So, like I said, guys, just a quick FYI, and you know, like I said, save you a little bit of trouble here and there. You know, it's always good to have the stuff on hand. So, guys, like I said, hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick one. Something you probably already know, but like I said, I just figured I'd share. Please subscribe, like, comment on the video. And like I said, I always like a comment on there. But please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification button. Thanks a lot, guys.